Sector 80 is emerging as one of the key micro markets. इसका main reason ये है कि DLF Privana ecosystem is just 7 to 8 minutes drive from Sector 80. Privana ecosystem के साथ ही Cyber City 2 आ रहा है, so again Cyber City 2 is going to be just 7 to 8 minutes drive from Sector 80. और Sector 80 को HSIIDC ने organized sector create किया है. They have brought in lot of A-grade developers and those A-grade developers have started making their प्रोजेक्ट्स. तो ये ए ग्रेड डेवलपर्स हैं जैसे सोबा, एल्डेको, कॉन्सेंट, आशियाना, आरोहम लॉन्च हुआ अभी. अब व्हाई वी आर डिस्कसिंग सेक्टर 80 today? Because sector 80 bring a value products for you, wherein the Gurgaon market has gone up steeply up. You can see an apartment in the range of around 2.5 to 5 CR. 3 करोड़ एवरेज में आपको यहाँ पे अच्छे अपार्टमेंट्स मिल जाते हैं. अब why to buy that particular sector when HSIIDC ने उसको organized sector create किया है? They are bringing key social infrastructures like sports complex of approximately around 120 acres. They have already dedicated the land to hospital. They have already dedicated the land to fire station in that particular sector. In fact, it is going to become one of the most organized micro market and strategically located, which is going to be closer to lot of commercial hubs. So today we are going to discuss one of the project. It starts from 3 crores. The payment plan is 25, 25, 50. You pay only 25% right now, 25% after 3.5 years and 50% on possession of the property. The developer that I am talking about is Consent, और Consent अपना एक डेवलपमेंट इलारा जो उन्होंने लॉन्च किया हुआ है. इट्स अ वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेवलपमेंट. द मास्टर प्लानिंग इज सुपर्ब. द आर्किटेक्ट इज बिनॉय. बिनॉय इज अ यूके बेस्ड कंपनी जिन्होंने फेरारी वर्ल्ड अबू धाबी में बनाया, वेस्टफील्ड लंदन, सॉलिट्यूड सऊदी अरेबिया एंड अली बाबा का headquarters in China they have created. It's a very big company and Conscient को discuss करने का main reason ये है that Conscient has become a prominent name with their tie-up with Heinz, and they are one of the key development that they have done on golf course extension road with the name Elevate. Elevate was launched at a price of 8 to 9,000 rupees per square feet around 4 to 5 years down the line, and right now it is operating at a price of approximately 25,000 rupees per square feet. One of the market development of golf course extension road, which has given a very good premium to their clients. क्योंकि कॉन्सेंट हमेशा ए ग्रेड आर्किटेक्ट लेता है, ए ग्रेड कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्टनर लेता है. इलारा से पहले पार्क लॉन्च किया उन्होंने सेक्टर 80 के अंदर. दैट इज बीइंग डन बाय शापूजी पालन जी, एंड नाउ इलारा इज बीइंग डन बाय एनसीसी. एनसीसी इज अ लिस्टेड कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी विच इज डूइंग अ फ्यू ऑफ द बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स इन इंडिया. जहां पे डीएलएफ प्रिवाना के प्राइस पॉइंट्स ऑपरेट करते हैं इन द रेंज ऑफ 20 to 25,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट. सोबा, अरान्या, कमल एकलैंड्स के अंदर ऑपरेट करता है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट. नाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट एट अ प्राइस ऑफ अराउंड 15,000 to 15,500 rupees, it absolutely becomes a very big opportunity for the investors. Now let's dive into this project and understand what Consent Elara has to offer to you and how it becomes a value proposition for you. Let's start.
Hello everyone, I have come today to Elara Sector 80 Experience Center. We will spend some time today Sector 80 as a location and their new launch Elara Residencies and its specifications. So when we talk about Conscient as a developer, it has a strong legacy of 4 decades in real estate development and construction across India. Education industry with well-reputed heritage group of schools. They also have their prominent development across all micro markets of Gurgaon, namely Elevate, Heritage 1, Conscient 1, Heritage Max, and so on. Coming to Sector 80 as a location. It is closer to SPR, Extension Road, Dwarka Expressway and Sona Road. Sector 80 is the sector which is designed by HSIDC with a direct connectivity to NH48. Sector 80 comes under security zone because of the NSG presence. All major developments like upcoming Cyber City, Global City are coming here. Also, all the major developers are already present here like Shobha, Eldeco and Ashiana. Elara Residences is spread over 5.5 acres of land with 4 towers. Each tower has a height of podium plus 34, 4 to the core apartments. Each tower has 4 lifts. 3 lifts are dedicated to the resident and 1 lift is for the service staff. It has a luxury clubhouse which is spread over 2 acres with the greens, and it's spread over 75,000 square feet of area. As all of you can see, the project entry will happen from a 24-meter road. Once you enter into the project, this is a no vehicular movement project, which means no car, no vehicle will move on the above surface. Directly they will enter into the basement, which means all the adults like us or the senior citizen and children, they are safe to enjoy this area, this green area, right? These 2 towers which are newly launched, you can see they are well lit, matlab enough sunlight hai yahan pe, along with the view of either the central green which will be maintained by the builder or Aravali's view. Conscient has launched their 3 and 3.5 BHK in 5 different sizes, starting at 2045 square feet, 2260 square feet, 2535 square feet, 2580 and 2760 square feet. Elara Residences have come up with the special price of their 3 BHK starting at 15,500 per square feet, which means a 3 BHK is starting at just rupees 3 CR. They have also come up with a very lucrative payment plan, which is 25, 25 and 50, which means first 25% in the first 3 months, next 25% at the time of superstructure, which is 3 years from now, and rest 50% payment is at the time of possession. Now, what are the benefits when the sector is being designed by HSIDC? So, the advantages are, there are a lot of things which are pre-planned. There would be a dedicated fire station, hospital, school, malls, clubs, and everything would be there. So this makes a best choice for the upcoming sector, which has a growth potential for investors as well as end users. I'm entering into Home of Your Dreams by Elara Residences. It is a 2.35 square feet of an apartment with super luxurious living room with the attached balcony. Let me take you inside the kitchen of the house, which comes with fully loaded cabinets, chimney and hob, along with the utility area. Let's enter into the second bedroom of the house, which is a very nicely done kids room. This also comes with the running attached balcony. Now I am taking you inside the master bedroom of the house. You can see how big the master bedroom is, and this is well thought of. You can see the light coming out of here, this window, along with the attached balcony. This room also comes with the walk-in closet and an attached washroom. For site visits and best deal on Conscient Elara, do contact us on the below mentioned Homeworks number.